Let's ask the question, is there anything you can add to the motor oil to keep the engine from smoking? Let's check it out. Well, here's my old Montgomery Ward's tractor. It smokes a little bit. That engine many years ago, I think it had already been bored out like 20 over. So it's going to be hard for me to find a oversized ring set to actually bore it another 10 thousandths. So I've kind of had my eyes peeled for a 10 through a 16 horsepower cast iron Briggs. I can possibly swap those out or rebuild the other engine that I can bore out some if need be. But anyway, what I'm going to try is a product to kind of help reduce some of the smoking and the oil consumption, and we'll just put it to the test and just see if it's as good as everybody says it is. Well, this is what I'm going to try. This is a bars leak product. It's supposed to do everything except fix a broken heart if you read the label. And so if it will reduce the smoking and burning some of the oil, I'll be happy with it. The oil capacity of this old cast iron Briggs is about 2 quarts, so I'll put probably about a half a bottle, maybe a little less in there. Well, here's a shot of the oil that I drained out of it. I am surprised it's really that dirty, because since I had this mower and got it going, I hadn't run it really that much. But anyway, I'm sure just after sitting 40, 50 something years, it had a lot of just kind of sludge and stuff build up on the inside. And I let the tractor idle for about 30 minutes, and then I drove it for probably 30 minutes. And this is the result that I'm getting now. So I think it's a little better. We'll see as time goes on just how good it gets. Well guys, it's a little early to tell, but I think adding this bars leak to the motor oil made a difference. I'll have to run it a good while longer, because 30 minutes to an hour is not going to fix anything. This is something you just put in the oil. So anyway, I'll run it some more, and maybe we'll come back later and just see how good it does. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.